really quick. We're over here at this gas station, and this is a hack job right here. Gas meter, it's a hack job. At the Janitrol, get a zoom in. 5-ton from '03, and that is a bloody hack job. Next one. This one's condensating like crazy. It's a Trane, it's a gas pack, XL100. Where's that data tag at? Right there. 5-ton from '96. Ice maker, machine condenser. And that's a hack job right there. That's a heat pump. How the hell would you service that? Refrigerator component. No name. Here's another one. No name, and then there's a ICP unit there. I can hear that Janitrol back here. This one's damaged. What are you? Copeland reciprocating. Cool. Alrighty. I'm going to go away from here. The beer can. Copeland reciprocating. It's a 47,000 BTU. Thing's kind of out in the open. Anyways, out. This has been an xctome video production.